Jordan, what's wrong?
Everyone at school is bullying me for vaping.
What? Well, I know what can help you. Solving rational equations. Okay, here's the problem. So the first thing you want to do is find a common denominator. So right here we have t plus 1 and t minus 3. These aren't alike, so we gotta times the top numbers by each other. So t minus 3 times that by t minus 3, and then times this by t plus 1. And then we will do the distributive property for these and add them together. Alright, so now you have to add your like terms. Alright, so you're usually supposed to break this down first, but I'm going to just do it now. So you got t minus 3, and then t plus 1, because negative 3 and positive 1 multiply each other to equal negative 3, but they add each other to equal negative 2. Alright, so the next step is times these two by this side. So after I do that, since we got t plus 1 and t minus 3, and we have the same thing over here, these all just cancel out. So you're left with just 7t minus 9. So right here, 7t minus 9. And then we can solve from there. But since we have a t squared, we gotta equal them to 0. So we got t squared minus 7t plus 12. So now you can factor that out to x equals negative 3 and negative 4. And then you got to change those to the opposite sign. So you got 3 and 4. This 3 isn't the answer because you got to go in for the final step and make sure that these won't make this 0. So right here we have a 3. If we put the 3 in for t, it equals 0 because 3 minus 3 equals 0. So no more 3. The answer is just 4. Alright, here's some problems you can try. Jordan, what are you doing?
Nothing. It's a portable
What is
charger,
that?
bro. It's a portable charger.
Alright. Good thing you're not vaping again.
All right, class. Are you guys ready to learn about simplifying radicals? Austin, what are you doing? Austin, what are you doing?
What?
Get off Fortnite. It's class time.
Dude, I'm dropping tilted right now.
No, you have to get off. It's class
I'm
time.
gonna win this game.
No, get off Fortnite.
Come on, dude.
You have to.
Really?
We got to learn about simplifying radicals. Radicals. All right, so here's our example problem. First, you have to break the 18 down, which breaks down into 6 and 3, and the 6 breaks down into 3 and 2, and these two right here are a couple, and then this right here is alone. And then second, you have to break down the x squared, which breaks down into just x and x, and then since it's a couple, circle that. This y cubed can break down into y, y, and y. Then you take two of these, and you circle them since it's square root and not cubed root. And then you have to take all the couples and put them on the outside. So the answer would be 3xy square root. Since this 2 is alone, you keep it inside the square root. And since this y is alone, you keep it right here. So the answer would be 3xy square root 2y. Now, here are some problems you get to try.